Guys, this car, it is awful.
Okay, so we just went to the store, right? We got the overall, right? Cover the whole body. We got a mask, cover the face and the nose, and we got a glove. And this is the reason why. So, this cabin locked up for 2 years, you know. We were trying to sell it, and a rat happened to get in, you know, and you know the after effect. A lot of stool, a lot of rat piss. You know, in here is just a mess. All the air freshener get tear up, the rat bite up. A lot of stuff in here. Got a lot of oil on the door. It's very sticky, very messy. So, Shina's exclusive on the job once again.
Suppose we see a rat move.
So I just finished loosening up this seat. You can see a lot of rat stool underneath the seat, all over the place. Chair look really nasty, you know. I loosen up the back chair. As you can see, a lot of dirt, you know. On the next side, back here, really nasty, really dirty. See the other side, you know. You have under the seat more rat stool, you know. A lot of rat stool in the chair and what's not. A lot of, you know, the rat threw up something in there. He threw up. A lot of place just looking amok. Stay tuned for the rest. Okay, China's exclusive day 2. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, this vehicle here really put me under pressure. But China's exclusive don't crack and we don't break. Okay, I want this basically all night. Sweat, blood and tears. But yeah, as you can see, I get the job done, man. The hardest part was taking out the scent, you know. But at the end of the day, everything came out perfect for me. I like the results, and that's what China's exclusive about, results. So once I get the best results, I feel happy.